his hair this morning. So good. Get that fresh air edge up.
Nah.
I did that.
Yep, we're leaving today.
No, tomorrow. We're just getting ready early.
Tomorrow.
Getting ready for getting the car packed up and leaving tomorrow.
You don't like my backpack?
Leaving in the morning, but we packing the car up today.
That is
So we can wake up and
like
go. And the 2 hygiene bags, the snack bags, and the cooler, that'll go in tomorrow. And then we're good. The shoe bag, that's tomorrow. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Y'all, we packing some sandwiches for the road trip tomorrow. Some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I've used hamburger buns because I like to use them on all my sandwiches. Besides, I don't want to keep the bread in the pantry, so we getting rid of this bread. So let's pack them up. I'm packed up and ready to go. Get ready to take this cooler out, put some drinks in it. It's packed. Now I give it in the morning. I can put some fruit, the sandwiches, and a couple other things in there. And of course, I got the 2 snack bags. Y'all know I'm not going nowhere without the snacks. Your girl done filled up. I gotta roll it off. I roll a paper towel and put it in there. All the snacks. I'm not playing no games. Yes, Lord. All the snacks. Got my bananas. I made the sandwiches. Cherries. Blueberries. Headphones charging, the kids. Everything is ready to go. They got their tablets in the room charging up. These are Bluetooth headphones.